les amis. So when I was a child, my mum used to be a lot on her own, looking after the 5 of us, because my dad used to travel a lot for work. And although she was the most amazing cook, and we all loved the food she made from scratch, she also had a repertoire of very, very easy 2-minute meals that she can put together for the days where she had no energy or no time, frankly. And I have kept that tradition going because we are not superwomen, nor do we want to be. We just want to be balanced and be able to have a day off. So anyway, one of the meals that she would make is stuffed croissant. So I'm not sure I can even call this a recipe, but what you would do is you would buy a big pack of croissant from the shops, put some ham and some cheese or chorizo or any leftovers. My mum used to do it with tuna, sweet corn, anything she had going and that needed using, and put it in the oven for maybe 10 to 15 minutes at 180 until it's crispy and melted inside. So crispy on the outside, melted in the inside. Et voilà, bon appétit les amis.